Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make crochet booties, and we gonna need these three colors for those crochet booties, and two crochet hooks, 4 mm and 4.5 mm. We're gonna work with both of the hooks and scissors. So let me show you. This is unfinished work, but we will make leaves with the green, and this is the thing, a little spiral rose with the red yarn and booties with the white ones. Let's get started. So first of all, we will make a magic loop. It's also called a magic circle. If you don't know how to make it, I have uploaded a complete workshop for absolute beginners on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch it. Now 10 chains. So now that we have 10 chains, yarn over the crochet hook and double crochet in fourth chain. One more double crochet in the same chain, then double crochet in next chain, double crochet in next chain, double crochet in the next chain again, double crochet in next chain, double crochet in the next chain. So now we have the last chain, 3 double crochet in the last chain. That's how it looks like. Let's do a little recap. So we have made 10 chains, then 2 double crochet in the fourth chain, again 1 double crochet in each chain till the last, and in the last chain we have made 3 double crochets. Now the other side of the chain, 3 double crochet, now double crochet in the next chain. So you can see that we have total 6 double crochet in the last chain, and it made a semicircle. Now double crochet in the next chain, again double crochet in the next chain, one more double crochet in the next chain, again double crochet in the next chain, and in the last 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Okay, this is unfinished double crochet, and we will combine it with the slip stitch to the third chain, the 3 chains which we made in the start. Okay, now chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. In the next chain, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next one, okay. Now 5 double crochet in the next 5 chains or 5 stitches. Now we will make 2 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. So in the next 6 stitches we will make 2 double crochet each. Okay, it's completed. The next thing, 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. That means in the next 5 stitches 1 double crochet in each. So now that we had last 3 stitches, 2 double crochet in each. This is the last one. One more double crochet in the same one, and we will leave it uncompleted double crochet like this and combine it with the third chain of the starting first 3 chains like we did in the last round. 50% of the booties is done. This is pretty easy way to crochet a baby sole for booties. Okay, so here I'm taking 2 stitch markers and fold the sole into half like this. Okay, now we have to add stitch markers and I'm counting 6 stitches from the edge. 3 4 5 6, and I'm gonna add a stitch marker in the 6th stitch. Same thing I'll do the other side. Now start with the chain 2 and double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, keep making double crochet till the stitch marker. Okay, this is the part where I am removing the stitch marker because we will make decrease stitches from here. So uncompleted double crochet and again uncompleted double crochet and yarn over from all 3 loops to make a decrease. This is called decrease double crochets. Okay, so we have added stitches on the both side on the 6th stitch. So basically we added stitch markers to make decrease double crochets on 12 stitches. That will make 6 decrease double crochets. Okay, this is the last decrease I'm trying my best to explain. I hope you guys are understanding. Okay, this is the last decrease double crochet. You can already see that it's making a bootie's shape. Now double crochet till the last. Okay, pay attention here now. Uncompleted double crochet, and we'll combine it with the first double crochet with the slip stitch. Sorry. See, it looks like almost a bootie. Okay, these are the decrease 6 stitches, and I'm gonna add stitch markers on the both side, starting of the decrease stitch and ending of the decrease stitch. Basically, we will make more decrease stitches on the last 6 decrease stitches. Okay, now we are going to make first decrease with the single crochet here. Now we normally make single crochets till the stitch marker. Okay, so here we'll start making decrease stitches with a single crochet. One, two, and 3. Again single crochets. Now we will make one more decrease stitch at the last, and then combine it with the first stitch with a slip stitch. Chain 1, single crochet. It's a round of single crochets now. Okay, so 90% of the work is done. We have our booty. Now let's make a spiral rose. So I'm using 4 mm crochet hook, starting with the magic circle and 20 chains. Double crochet in the fourth chain and then 1 double crochet in each chain till the last. Okay, so now we have our row, completed one. Roll it nicely and then you will have a spiral rose. You can use a needle or hot glue to just glue it to the booty. Okay, let's do the next part. We are making a little leaf with 4.5 mm crochet hook, starting with the magic circle and then chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now single crochet in the second chain and then half double crochet in next 4 chains, like one half double crochet in each chain till the last, and then we will have our little nice leaf here. Okay, so we have made a booty, a spiral rose and 2 leaves, and I'm gonna glue it on the booties and our work is done. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you like this video and you want more tutorials, subscribe my channel, like the video and let me know in comment box. I'll see you in the next video.